Nobody talks about how scary it is going to school the day after getting a bad haircut. Because when I was younger, my mom sent me to this barber that would absolutely cook my hair. So I was terrified to go to school after getting it cut every single time. This is how it would go. I would get the horrible haircut, lie and tell the barber that I like it, then go to school the next day with a hat on. But all the other kids at school knew I wasn't a hat guy, so whenever I wore one, they were aware that there was only one reason for it. So the whole day, everyone at school would try taking my hat off to the point where I just contemplated gluing that thing to my head. And when they finally got it off, some of the kids would laugh at me, deservedly so, but the reactions I despised the most were the kids who would try being nice and say something like, "Oh, it's not that bad." Like, do you think I don't have a mirror at home? I'm not blind. I know I look like Willy Wonka right now. I am aware the barber cooked me. The worst part is I know he's out there ruining other kids' haircuts to this day, just like he did to mine. I feel so bad for them.